In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find page views on Ga4. To begin, open your Google Analytics account for the website or app you want to measure. Make sure you're working in a Ga4 property, since the interface and the metrics we'll look at are specific to this version. Once your property loads, we're ready to move into the reporting area. On the left-hand side, click Reports. This takes you to the main hub for your out-of-the-box analytics, where traffic, engagement, monetization, and retention are grouped together. Everything we need to see page views lives here. Next, go to the sections focused on user behavior, specifically engagement and retention. These areas help you understand what people do on your site and how often they come back. They provide helpful context for the page view numbers you're about to check. Now, within engagement, click Pages and Screens. This is the report that shows performance at the page or screen level. In Ga4, the metric you'll see is called Views, which combines web page views and app screen views. You'll also see related columns like users, views per user, average engagement time, and event count. If you're interested in a specific page, use the search bar above the table to quickly locate it by URLs or page title. You can sort any column to surface your top-performing content and click into a row to see a deeper breakdown. By default, the report shows a recent date range, but you'll often want to broaden or narrow the window. At the top right, adjust the time frame to match your analysis. Pick a preset like the last 7 or 28 days, or choose a custom range to align with a campaign or a content launch. If you need to spot trends, comparing two ranges side by side can reveal whether views are rising or falling over time. Once you're comfortable finding page views here, feel free to explore more. Try adding filters to focus on a specific device category, traffic source, or country. Look at how engagement time relates to views to identify pages that attract attention, not just clicks. And when you find insights worth sharing, use the built-in share options to export the report so your team stays informed without manual updates. That's it. You now know exactly where to find page views in Ga4 and how to make the most of the Pages and Screens report for clearer, faster analysis.